Okay, I'm in here today working on this 2004 XC70 with a 2.5 liter engine. I'm actually changing the timing belt. That's another project. But what I wanted to point out was there's another thing I have on the schedule to do here, and it's this bolt for the PCV system. Okay, and what that does is that holds the PCV line to the bottom of the intake manifold, and that allows intake manifold vacuum to influence the PCV system. Now, there's some bolts that you can see, like there's one for the water jacket that looks identical to that, goes on the other side of the engine for the water side of it, and it's got nothing inside of it. But this has a check valve in it. You can see right there, there's a little pin across, and inside there's a check valve. Now, this is the new style. The old style, instead of having this roll pin drilled right through, like this one is, it just had a bar forced in there, like sort of press fit in the end. And what happens on some vehicles is that little pin eventually breaks free, and that and the check valve get sucked into the intake manifold and into the combustion chamber, and causes catastrophic damage, as you can imagine, down inside the piston with that little check valve rattling around in there. So this is the updated version, and when I changed the PCV system here last month, I acknowledged that when I put it together, I didn't have the new one. I had the old style, and it was on my mind, so I ordered one, and here it is. And what I'm doing is I just took the bolts out of the power steering pump. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to see if I can get in there enough. There's a 17mm head on this, and I'm going to see if I can sneak. I guess I might have to take the pump right out. I'm going to see if I can get that bolt changed without disturbing too much. I might have to move the alternator. I was hoping I didn't have to. But I'm going to put that in there with new copper washers. And that's the updated one. I'll put the number on the screen. So if you have a Volvo with the 2.4, the 2.5, and I'm not even sure other engines might have it in their PCV system, if you've got this bolt that goes into the intake manifold, look for the updated version, which is the cross-drilled one, and change it. So I've got this little kit of miscellaneous copper washers, and luckily I had two that fit that perfectly. Okay, I did get that new bolt in there, but I had to loosen the bolts on the alternator. I didn't have to take it out, but I had to loosen that one and the one on the AC pump below there. There's 4 bolts that hold the 2 of them in there. I had to loosen them and to get at it, to line it up properly, and then to tighten it. So yeah. Anyway, it's a good thing to change if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.